So how can you detect an AirTag on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so if you suspect that there's like an AirTag around you, which may or may not be yours, well, by default, you should automatically get the notification that some AirTag is like moving with you, that it could be tracking you, right? So just pay attention to notifications because it should happen automatically, right? So if an AirTag that isn't yours is traveling with you, as I said, this is going to automatically pop up on the screen. However, if you manually want to trigger the search or a detection for the AirTags, you can open up the Find My app, go to the items at the bottom and click on the plus button to click on AirTag, and it's going to search for AirTags manually, right? So it's going to trigger that option and you should be able to see them in case there are some around you. This is especially useful if you have a brand new one, if you want to like add it to your network. But even if some like third party or other people's AirTags are around you, I believe that you should also just look them up in here. So let me know what exactly you're trying to find out about. Let me know if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.